Okay, just to recap, I had a leak here, which was between the panel and where it's attached to the machine, and what it was doing, it was leaking through the front. So I was ending up with water coming through here all the way along and dripping down, and then that was causing well, a puddle on the floor, but also it could get on the electrics. So you remove this panel, there's 4 screws, and then what I used sealant. I used I forget the name of it now, I'll put it up on the screen. It's sealant for plumbing, but you perhaps could use bathroom sealant, but this one worked very well, and this was done about 3 or 4 years ago when the machine was only about 7 years old. So, and it was a leak, and you would think there was something wrong with. I did actually change the door seal, and I did change the pump. Although that improved things, the major leak was coming through here, through this front panel. The screws to remove the front panel, there's 4 of them, one here, down here, and then right down the bottom. And then if you go all the way around the other side of the panel, at the end, there's the other one, 4th one. And that's all fixed. Okay, and so they're my tips. Hopefully they'll be of some use to some people who have this machine and this model. Okay, thank you, bye bye.